Hi, I'm Kimberly, and in this video I will show you how you can add a form to your publication. We will start here in the Elements tab. There are various elements to choose from, but we're going to use the form for this time. Drag and drop the form element into your publication. A pop-up will appear in which you can see various field options. We will choose first name, last name, comment and text area for this time. First, I will show you what the settings of the form are. If you click here in the blue form settings bar, you will see a pop-up with all the settings of the form. The general settings are the most important. Here you can choose the name of your form, which will appear when you download your form results. You can enter your email address here if you want to receive notifications for every form submission. And here you can enter the success message. This is the message people will see when they have filled out your form. The other options that you see here are mostly for styling the form. You can change the background color, add a border, add some spacing, shadow or an animation. The other settings bar you see here are about all of the different fields that you're using. You can see it when you hover over your text element. Click here on the settings icon. Another pop-up will appear. Click on the general settings. You can enter a label for your form. For example, what is your favorite pie? You'll see it will appear above your first name element. Here you can change the color of your label. Make it red, for example. The placeholder text is the text that you see right here, like first name. You can change the color of the placeholder text or the value color. The value color is the color of what you actually type in here. Here you can choose whether you want your field to be required to fill in. And here you can enter a field name. If you want to add another field to your form, you can hover over your form, click inside it, and this plus icon will appear. I will add a radio option for now. Click here on the settings of the radio option. Some settings are a little bit different depending on the field that you're using. Here you can enter a label again, but you can also choose the color of the option that you're selecting. If you add a radio field, the option will appear here, and the code name, that's the one you will see when you receive an email notification, is located here. You can change this in something that makes sense to you, because right now I have no idea what this option is. If I change this to chocolate pie, and I enter chocolate here, I will know when I read the notification that this is about the chocolate pie. The same thing applies for your whole field name. Choose something in which you know what the form is about. What is your favorite pie would be fitting for this one. If you go back, the other settings here are about styling as well. If you want to change the look of your button, you can enter the text here or click on the settings here. Here you can apply styling again, and in general settings, you can change the color of your button, add rounded corners, or make the button completely transparent. You can download the results of your form in the dashboard. If you open your dashboard and go to projects, or they might even be located here in the recent work section, click on the three dots next to your publication. You see a button here, it says Get Form Results. Click on it. Now you see the name here, and you can click on download.csv. Now you can open this file with your Excel or another program. And that's how you add a form to your publication.